Hi, my name is Kim Gruccio. I am the Assistant Superintendent of the Egg Harbor Township School District, and today we're going to share with you some of the great things that are going on regarding innovation in our school district. A few years ago, our district made a commitment to recognize the learning needs of our digital learners. A policy was put in place that our students could bring their own devices to assist them with academics and learning in the classroom.
Technology in the building is getting better and better every year, and we have an iPad cart that we bring in, but sometimes the bring your own device is the easiest option to choose. And the ones that do bring their own device, they're so used to that device and they're so comfortable with that device that sometimes even when I give them an iPad, they would rather use their own device because they're more comfortable with how that works.
I have a 4-year-old who's part of the education and training program where she is prepared for the transition to kindergarten. She experiences hands-on activities daily, everything from computer usage to arts and crafts. My first grader is enrolled at the primary school. She participates in STEM-based learning activities. I find that very valuable in the learning environment. She's taking away lessons that extend beyond just the traditional reading, writing, arithmetic.
Our STEM movement began 3 years ago, where we infused integrated learning into our elementary school curriculum. At that time, we were looking ahead at the next-gen science standards, and we married them with our literacy program.
We also have makerspaces in our high school, middle school, and even some of our elementary schools. The makerspaces are being hosted in our libraries. It offers the students the opportunity to explore, tinker, create, and design in a free format. They're using resources such as Legos, Makey Kits, Little Bits, and then consumable products, something simple as popsicle sticks, straws, toothpicks, marshmallows, to actually create structures and do a design challenge and then test it out. It just gives them that opportunity to explore the design principles in a free format space.
So we offer a program for Spanish speakers. We call it Español para Hispanohablantes. And this program is a language class, a Spanish class, of course, in particular, for students who already speak Spanish. Because we have such a high Hispanic population here in Egg Harbor Township, that it really doesn't serve the students' needs to have them in a traditional class where they're learning how to speak Spanish. They'll take the AP Spanish Literature test, which they're preparing for in that class, and they will also take the AP Spanish Language and Culture test. They will also take the Seal of Biliteracy testing, and will graduate with the Seal of Biliteracy when they demonstrate proficiency in both English and in Spanish.
We offer programs in business administration, computer science, education and training, culinary arts, graphic design, woodworking, automotive, and more.
Egg Harbor Township High School has a long history of innovative programs, and currently we have 3 career academies which we're very proud of and allow students the ability to pursue their passions. The first is the Medical Science Academy, which was instituted 5 years ago, and it allows for students who have a passion for the medical sciences, including specific interest in neuroscience, sports medicine, anatomy and physiology, the ability to explore those passions at the college level in a high school environment. Our second academy is the Academy of Law and Business, which allows students to explore passions in business areas such as economics, finance, and marketing, as well as the legal field for students that might be interested in going pre-law and possibly on to law school. Our newest academy, opening in September of 2016, is our Communications Academy, which is going to create a small learning community around the curricular areas of TV production, media studies, and journalism.
Innovation is exciting, and excitement engages students. Schools need to embrace innovation. Schools need to provide students with the opportunities to discover, to learn, to invent, and to present their ideas. After all, students are our future entrepreneurs and our future leaders. So let's give them the time and space to invent, to learn, to discover, and to be the person that they want to be.